Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, guys. And today I'm here with my how are you going to say this? Today I'm here with this fool's house. That fool. You see him? He's a deadbeat. And today, guys, we're going to talk about a lot of things, guys. Because you know, he has a lot of questions to me. Hey, stop! Start asking me. Start asking me.
Ano ba sa'yo?
What the fuck you're going to ask me, bro?
Ito bibigyan kita ng
Okay.
situational
Okay.
question.
Okay. There he goes. There he goes, guys. There he goes.
Bibigyan kita situational question.
You're going to give me a situational question, huh?
Yeah.
What kind of situational question?
Ito kuwari ikaw naglalakad ka lang.
Hey, speak in English, motherfucker.
Naliligo ako, alis ka.
Speak in English, motherfucker. Yo, he's claiming that he's a good English speaker, guys. So, I challenge him, guys, to speak in English. Hey, what? Where are you? Tyrone.
Taking bath, bro.
He's taking a bath. That fool's taking a bath, bro. And here's my cute niece. Hey, say hello to my vlog, baby. Say hello to my vlog. Say hello to Tito's vlog. She's going home. Hey, all right. Say it in Tagalog. What the fuck you're going to ask me?
Kuwari, saan ka? Lalakad ka.
What? I can hear you. Speak louder.
Naliligo ako.
Speak louder.
Ano?
Guys, katawaan lang namin po yun, guys. Katawaan lang po namin yon. At, yon. Oh, okay. There he is, guys. Let's just wait for him to finish taking a bath. Hey,
Kapag na ako.
when you are finished taking a bath, just tell me, huh? I'm just here. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright. It's right there, guys. While we are waiting right here, he's just right there inside the bathroom. Cause you know, we've been talking about a lot of things earlier, guys, like like making a lot of content, guys. That you know, cause making a lot of contents, you know, as we all know, from making a lot of contents, there are a lot of people already get rich, guys. You know that, aren't you? Hey, Daron, where are you?
What's up?
Our viewers are waiting for you, bro. Hey, get the fuck outside. There, immediately. Come on.
Just wait, motherfucker.
Get your ass over here. Right away, motherfucker.
Tunagin na.
Okay, there he is, guys. There he is. Ina mo, nababaliw ako sa'yo. Hype ka. Okay.
Ay, gusto ko yan eh.
Okay, let's be serious, guys. Let's be serious.
Ito ang tanong ko sa'yo.
Oh, he
Oh,
has a question. Guys,
Seryosong tanong to ha, seryosong tanong to.
That's a serious question, huh?
Yeah.
What question is that? Okay.
Kuwari, lalakad ka lang. Gabing gabi. May nakita kang may nakita kang hinold up. Hold up ha. Yung hold upper, hold up niya yung mayaman, sobrang yaman. Tapos, yung hold upper, kaya siya nung hold up, kasi naargabyado na yung anak niya. Nakargabyado na yung anak niya, hold up siya. Tapos nakita mo yung mga kaganapan. O, tapos susumbong mo ba yung yung hold upper o hindi? O mananahimik ka lang? Eh yung hold upper, ano siya, argabyado na yung anak niya. Oh.
You asking me if I will tell the police about what the kidnappers did, huh?
That's right, motherfucker.
Alright. You're asking me if what am I going to do? You know, what I'm going to do is, you know, I'm gonna give him an advice, you know. I'm gonna give him an advice that, you know, that's not the solution for his problem, bro. You know, all he need to do is
Eh, kailangan niya ng immediately na pera eh. Oh.
he needs immediate
Oh.
money, huh?
Emergency, ganun.
You know what can I say about your question?
Oh.
Answer your own question, fool.
Hindi ko rin masagot, no?
Alright guys, hanggang dito na nga lang po itong kabaliwan na to guys. Yun, maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa YouTube channel ko guys. Yan. Bumati ka naman sa mga viewers natin.
Shoutout sa papa ko dyan, punta ka na Iran. Doon ka magtupad ha, magtupad ka na dun. Sama ka na sa mga gera-gera. Iwanan mo mga babae dito, ako na bahala sa babae mo.
By the way guys, that's what that's what we've been talking about earlier guys. About his dad guys. You know, your dad asked Ate Ellen a serious question earlier, right? His dad told Ate Eileen if, you know, ikaw na nga magpaliwanag.
Tatanong niyo si Tay kung ano, kung paano daw
English, motherfucker! English!
He asking Ate Ai if how to go in Iran because he want to work in Iran.
He wants to work in Iran.
He wants to be a tupad in Iran.
Was-
7K per hour. Ay 70K per hour. I don't think if he could survive in that bomb and war happening in Iran. If you want to go in Iran and if he wanna go that, say it to me, nigga. Say it to me.
Then you will be the one to kill him. Huh?
Yeah. Give me a gun and I will shoot you in the head, motherfucker.
Alright guys, hanggang dito na nga lang po itong kabaliwan na to guys. Yun, maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa YouTube channel ko guys. Sana supportahan nyo pa kami ng walang sawa guys. Yun lang. Peace out sa lahat.